Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane, so we will select here XY plane. Take the circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 25. From same center point, we are going to construct diameter 50 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Now here take extrude command, select this profile, and here we are going to take extrude of 15 mm, and here we will take symmetric. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 30. From same center point, make circle of diameter 50. Go to dimension, select this center, give a dimension of 60 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select the center. Now go to line command and we will construct a line joining both the profiles. Similarly here we will make a joining profile and escape. Here take the tangent constraint, select this circle, select this line, select this circle and select this line. Similarly select here and select this line, select this circle and select this line. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Go to project geometry and project this inner circle as well. Now finish sketch. Take extrude command, select this profile and select here. We are going to take extrude of 15 mm this also, and this will be a joining profile. Press OK. Now here go to the mirror command and we will take a mirror of extrude 2. Go to mirror plane, go to origin, and here we will select the XY plane. Rotate the view and press OK. So here you will find the same profile other side as well. Now here we are going to select the XZ plane, go to create sketch. Take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make one rectangle profile, go to dimension, define this height here as 45 mm, and from this edge the end of this rectangle will be at 25 mm. Okay, now define this as 20. Now go to vertical constraint, or we will take here the horizontal constraint. I'll tell you, when I rotate this, you can see this profile is becoming horizontal. So the top view will be rotated like this. So we'll have taken the horizontal constraint. Select the center and here we will select the center. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. We have selected this center point, the yellow point. Okay, it is now visible. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude and here we are going to take cut. This will be a through cut, so we will take here all and press OK. Okay, now here go to part 1. You have constructed this profile and this cut profile. Now we are going to construct this front profile. Okay, go to part 2. Here we are going to select the XZ plane, go to create sketch, take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 25 mm, go to dimension, and here from the center point we will define the center at 60 mm. Okay, now here take the line command, make one joining line here and one joining line here. Okay, go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Now go to line command once again and we are going to construct a joining profile. Go to dimension. From this end, this will be at a distance of 5 mm. Similarly from here, this will be at a distance of 5 mm. Okay, now here go to the horizontal constraint, select this point, so this is aligned. Now here go to trim command, trim this inner profile, finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Okay, now here one more thing we will do, double click sketch 4. Here we are going to make an inner profile to make it join properly. So go to rectangle, take 2-point rectangle, select this end, and here we will make a rectangle till here. Go to dimension, define this as 2.5, escape. Now we have a movement here, so we'll click here on coincident, select here and select here and escape. Now we are going to select this, make it construction. Okay, so this will be considered as the closing profile. Now finish sketch. Now take extrude. We are going to take extrude of 10 mm and we will take here symmetric extrude. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see joining is properly done. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, now here go to the 3D model, select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command, and from this center point make a circle of 25 mm, finish sketch, take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 10 mm again and press OK. Okay, now here select this top face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, and on this center point make circle of diameter 12.5, finish sketch, take extrude, take haircut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Now here we will select the XY plane, go to create sketch, take the line command, and here we will select this end and we will select here. Okay, and escape. We will select this profile, make it construction, and here select this, make it construction. Finish sketch, only this profile will be left in solid. Take the rip command. We are going to select here the parallel to the sketch plane and we will flip the direction. So here this will be constructed. We have taken here a symmetric rip, so this will be considered as the center line. Take a thickness of 10 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now here this is almost complete. Now go to fillet. When I give a fillet here of 2 mm, select here 2 mm fillet, select here, rotate. Similarly we will put fillet here, here and here. Okay, go to home and I rotate it once more and press OK. Okay, now from here I'll define the appearance. I'll take here the canary color. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.